is epic. Hey, it's February 1st, 2011, and we're in a major blizzard that's sweeping most of the country, all the way from Texas, all the way to Chicago, and eventually into New York. Man, what a storm, and it's actually been a 1-2 punch. We had a smaller system come in yesterday, Monday, today's Tuesday, and so that brought about 4 to 6 inches in the Madison area. Tonight we're going to see another 7 to 10 inches on top of all the blowing snow you're seeing here. So it should be quite the storm. We're going to do a couple of updates, but first here we're in UW Madison on top of Bascom Hill. We're already seeing about 2 inches of snow and winds already up to 40 miles per hour. It's going to get a lot worse. Should be fun. Hey, it's about 7 o'clock now. We're here on beautiful State Street in the thick of it. We've seen wind gusts between 30 and 40 miles per hour. Snow's coming down about 1 inch an hour. The heaviest stuff is still yet to come. Just getting word that most of the schools around the area are closed. Governor Scott Walker has declared a state of emergency for the south part of Wisconsin, and trying to confirm whether or not UW is closed, but it sounds like even the UW is closed. So it's going to be quite the night, and we still got plenty more to go. Hey, it's exactly 9 o'clock on February 1st, 2011. Oh man, it's quite a storm. We've helped out a couple people that have gotten in the ditches. Visibility is now at 0. I believe I saw wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour. That's way past what they had predicted, but there's just no way that that was 40 mile per hour wind gusts. So yeah, visibility at 0. There have been reports of thunder snow just south of the Wisconsin border, and it looks like some of that's heading north, so the worst may even still yet to come. We'll see. All of Madison's going to be shut down tomorrow. University, all the schools, non-essential personnel for the county and the city, so it's crazy. So we're going to try to go back into town. We're currently in Stoughton after helping out some people. We had to help out someone, bring them into a gas station in Stoughton after their car went straight into the ditch. So just couldn't see where the road was. So we're going to get on the interstate, hopefully get back into town safe. It's crazy. So we'll have more to come, but we're going to stick to Madison in the future reports. Man, visibility is like down to nothing. that truck has got to be at least, oh, good 20 yards ahead of us, but you can barely even make it out. That's just insane. Oh my God. Holy. Wow. That's just insane. Wow, really? Yeah. Can you get a zoom up on that guy? See that? He's oh. See, it's idiots like that. Idiots like that. You really need to slow down. There's no excuse for going super fast right now.
You want to have him?
Oh, wow. Wow.
And I'll leave the driver off of the interstate. Charlie 8 by the sea right now. One west car.
Oh man, the open lake. This is a holy shit, look at how high those drifts are. Get out. Alright, well it's now 10 o'clock and we're freezing our butts off, but we just came from Stoughton and literally it was horrible. Like, you couldn't see a single thing. There was a truck that was literally 20 yards ahead of us and at times it was just gone. Could not see a thing. It was insane. Well, we're now around 10 o'clock and it's definitely snowing more than 2 inches an hour. We're in the worst of it. Probably got another good 2-3 hours to go. We'll just keep at it. Right now we're going to take some footage downtown and grab something to eat. So we'll be back within an hour for another update. Hello, it's like 11:30. Well, the snow was coming down too hard and it was accumulating a lot to the point where the Volkswagen kept getting stuck. Well, the worst of the storm is coming through our area right now. About 2 inches per hour of snow rate. Wind gusts were 40 to 50 mile per hour. We were seeing at least 2 to 4 feet drifts. Visibility down to nothing. But strangely enough, we got a bunch of people waiting at a bar downtown Madison. Well, it just shows you what sort of people Madison people are. We'll be having more videos tomorrow. It looks like there's a big old snowball fight like last year. So we'll be capturing that and hopefully we'll have some more videos tomorrow. How's the light? Alright, into the epicness.
Oh my god.
Okay, then get the door open. Wow, this is intense. Intense, man. The snowdrift has got to be at least a couple feet. Let's take an official measurement of how big this snowdrift is. Well, this snowdrift is approximately 14 inches. This is a small one. Let's see. Let's take this. Oh my god, look at that snowdrift down there.
Do it.
Oh, there's still more. 14 inches once again. Just look at that. Turn the camera around. That's just insane. Great. Let's take measurements. 18 inches. Woo! Oh, that is funny. Shadow. I don't even know if I can open my door. Hey, it's the morning after. It's Wednesday, February 2nd, 2011, after the big blizzard we had. Last night was just incredible. Visibility down to 0 for most of the night. We had snowfall rates up to 2 inches per hour and wind gusts all the way up to 50 miles per hour. Looks like we got 12 inches of snow total, but of course that created anywhere between 2 to 10 foot drifts. And farther southeast near Kenosha and Chicago, it sounds like they got hit real bad. 18 to 24 inches with snow drifts as high as 15 feet. That's just incredible. National Guard was called in late last night. They patrolled most of the area, trying to get people out. The whole city has been shut down today here in Madison. University, schools, all personnel. Only the bare basics this morning and throughout today. So we'll keep we have one more video after this. It's the snowball fight, but it's just been an amazing day and I hope you enjoyed this video.